Hello students, in today's session of NCERT Chapter 7, Integral Calculus, very basics on substitution method will be cleared through illustrations taken from exercise 7.2 NCERT. Topics being discussed will be f dash x upon fx, fx to power n 1 over under root ax plus b and other number of topics which will be very useful for CBSE board, state boards and JEE exams and other entrance examination. Please go through the complete session. Right now, let's start with the concept and questions. Concepts regarding integration by substitution. When integral is a product of two factors such that one is a derivative of the others. In this case, there are two functions, fx का differentiation f dash x. तो put किया हमने fx equal to t, differentiating both sides with respect to x. So d by d x fx equal to dt by dx. इसको लिख सकते हैं f dash x into dx equal to dt. Now, in place of this f dash x into dx, we can replace by dt. This comes out to be t की power n dt. On applying power formula, t की power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Back substitution, we get fx की power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. This is one of the formula, right? Next, integral of the form f dash x upon fx equal to dx. Put किया fx equal to t. Differentiating both sides with respect to t, this comes out to f dash x dx equal to dt. This comes out to 1 by t. इसकी जगह हमने पुट कर दिया dt, that is log of t plus c. Back substitution, log of fx plus c. This is the other form method. In this case, substitution put किया ax plus minus b equal to t. Differentiating both sides, so this will come out to be a dt equal to a dx equal to dt. Therefore, dx equal to 1 by a dt. This comes out to be dx की जगह हमने put कर दिया 1 by a is constant taken outside integration dt upon root t. This comes out to be 1 by a t की power minus 1 by 2 dt. Apply power formula, t की power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 half divided by half plus c. This comes out to be 2 upon a root t. Back substitution, this comes out to 2 upon a under root ax plus minus b. If it is linear equation, of type ax plus b divided by coefficient of x and integration of 1 by root x dx equal to 2 root x plus c. We can use. Right? Now, the formulas will be discussed. Integration of those whose derivative is known. Right? Now, let's start. Now, To discuss the formulas of integrals whose derivative is known. Now integration of ax plus b की power n dx. Put किया हमने ax plus b equal to t. Differentiating both sides with respect to t. A equal to dt by dx. dx comes out to 1 by a dt. तो इसको ले लिया हमने आगे t की पावर n dx की जगह 1 by a dt taken outside the integration. This comes out to 1 by a t की power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Back substitution, we get 1 by a ax plus b की power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. This is the answer, right? This answer होगा 1 by a ax plus b की power n divided by n plus 1 plus c. Means if x is replaced by ax plus minus b on integration, divide the answer by coefficient of x, that is by a, right? Now similarly in this case ax का differential log of ax plus b plus c 1 by a की power ax plus b 1 by a plus c. So e की power bx plus c 1 by b, a की power bx plus c divided by log of a plus c. कैपिटल सी दे लीजिए पांचटा. साइन का minus 1 by a cos of ax plus b plus c 1 by a sin of ax plus b plus c 1 by a tan of ax plus b plus c minus 1 by a cot of ax plus b plus c, then 1 by a sec of ax plus b plus c. Similarly, minus 1 by a cosec of ax plus b plus c. Right, this is regarding the formulas of integration of function whose differentiation is known. Now, further we will discuss the integration of tan x, cot x, sec x and cosec x. Now, let's start it. Question is, find integration of tan x and cot x. Integration of tan x dx. We can sin x upon cos x dx. As we are using the substitution method, put किया हमने cos x equal to t. Why put cos? Because differentiation of cos sin is available in the numerator. So differentiating both sides with respect to x. So minus sin x equal to dt by dx. Therefore minus sin x dx equal to dt. Right? Therefore integration reduces to sin x dx upon cos x minus sin minus. In place of this put किया हमने t. This comes out to minus 1 by t dt. On simplification, we get minus log of t plus c. Back substitution, minus log of cosec plus c. What is this answer? Or in terms of sec, we can find it out. Or it can be written as log of introducing minus 1 inside. This can be written as log of 1 over cosec. That comes out to log of sec² plus c. What is this formula? What is this formula? Now, I have discussed all the steps taken in this question. We can use directly f dash x upon fx dx. We can use log of fx plus c. Put किया fx equal to t, f dash x dx equal to dt, so 1 over t dt log of fx plus c. This formula is applicable. In substitution, we can use in complex question this formula directly. Now, integration of cot x, that is cos x upon sin x dx, f dash x upon fx dx. Answer is log of fx plus c. Now, if you put the differentiation of sin is cos x dx will be equal to dt. Differentiate of this is available. Here fx is sin x, f dash x is cos x. Right? Constant can be manipulated. Constant can be, function should be there. So this can be written as log of sin x plus c integration of cot x dx. This is the formula. Right? Next question. Question is, find integration of sec x and cosec x. Integration of cosec x dx. Multiplying and dividing by cosec x plus cot x. This comes out to be cosec x plus cot x divided by cosec x plus cot x dx. We are using a substitution method. So this will be the differentiation with this cosec x plus cot x equal to t. Differentiation of cos x, differentiating both sides with respect to x, so minus cosec x into cot x minus cosec square x equal to dt by dx. This can be written as minus sign taken common, cosec x plus cot x into cosec x equal to dt by dx. Therefore, minus cosec x into cosec x plus cot x dx equal to dt. Right? Now, therefore, integration can be written as minus sign minus cosec x plus cot x dx upon cosec x plus cot x. Right? In place of this, we will put t. So minus 1 by t dt minus log of t plus c. Back substitution. That comes out to log of minus cosec x plus cot x plus c. What is this answer? Or introducing minus sign inside the log. So this can be written minus 1 upon cosec x plus cot x plus c, multiplying and dividing by cosec x minus cot x. So cosec square x minus cot square x equal to 1 using the trigonometric identity. The numerator will be log of cosec x minus cot x, नीचे वाला 1 हो जाएगा plus c, that is log of cosec minus cot x plus c. This is another answer, right? We can use directly formula f dash x upon fx dx. Constants to be manipulated, multiplying, dividing, taken outside the integration. Similarly, integration of sec x, multiplying, dividing by sec x plus tan x dx upon sec x plus tan x. इसको t put किया, this will be the differentiation, that is equal to 1 by t dt log of t plus c, that is log of sec x plus tan x plus c. Use the formula f dash x upon fx, that is log of fx plus c. This formula is to be used. So integration of sec x is log of sec x plus tan x t. Integration of cosec x is log of cosec x minus cot x plus c. अगर प्लस में लेना है तो माइनस log of cosec x plus cot x plus c. Right? Next question. Before start of the next question, I would like to say that these videos, that is concept killing videos are very helpful and important for 11th standard, 12th standard, CBSE board, state boards, NEET and JEE and other entrance examinations. Concerned में review on sec² Learn YouTube channel. In earlier session, we have discussed all these things in which illustrations were taken from JEE Main, which you can review on sec² Learn. इसी के साथ साथ मैं आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि अगर अभी तक आपने YouTube चैनल sec² Learn सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज subscribe it and share with the colleagues and friends. Let's start with the next question. Question is, evaluate integration 2x over 1 plus x square dx. NCERT 7.2 exercise. In this case, we f dash x upon fx dx equal to log of fx plus c. So this is like this. If you put as t, we get, if we substitute 1 plus x square equal to t, 2x dx equal to dt, 2x dx equal to dt, 1 by t log of. So put किया substitution, put किया 1 plus x square equal to t, differentiating both sides with respect to x. So 2x dx equal to dt, 1 by t dt log of t plus c, back substitution log of 1 plus x square plus c. This is the answer. Right? Next question. In this case, check. There are two functions, one in the numerator, one in the denominator. Log x का differentiation है 1 by x. If we put log x equal to t, so 1 by x dx will be equal to dt. Right? So this will come out to be t square dt. that is 3 cube by 3, that is log of x 3 by 3 plus c. पूरा डिटेल में बताए थे, पुट किया log x equal to t, 1 by x dx equal to dt, that is t square dt, right? We get this answer. Next question. In this case, what are the two functions? Separately known, we can take common here. 1 by x, 1 plus log x dx. If we put 1 plus log x equal to t, so this comes out to be 1 by x dx will become dt, 1 by t log t, back substitution log of 1 plus x plus c. So integration put किया हमने, integration 1 over x 1 plus log x dx, put किया 1 plus log x equal to t, differentiating both sides with respect to x, so 1 by x dx equal to dt, so this comes out to be 1 by t dt, that is log of t plus c. Back substitution, this comes out to log of 1 plus log x plus c. This is the answer. We have discussed 3 questions in this one. All are taken from exercise 7.2. Next question. Question is evaluate sin x and sin cosec dx. As we are using the substitution method, one function is this, another function is this. Now, this expression can be made simplified by substituting cosec equal to t. So sin x dx will be equal to minus dt. This will become sin t. Sin t integration minus cos t, minus will become positive. Then this will become cos of cosec plus c will be the answer. This I will discuss orally. Now I will be writing. Put किया cosec equal to t. Differentiating both sides with respect to t. Minus sin x equal to dt by dx. So sin x dx equal to minus dt. Whatever the constant or minus sign is there, इंटीग्रेट से बाहर ले लीजिए, इसकी जगह हमने पुट कर दिया माइनस डी टी, राइट? तो माइनस साइन ऑफ कॉसेक्स जगह टी, डी टी नेगेटिव साइन देकर आउटसाइड, माइनस अगेन माइनस कॉस ऑफ टी प्लस सी, बैक सब्स्टिट्यूशन कॉस ऑफ एक्स plus c. This is the answer, right? Next question. Evaluate sin ax plus b into cos of ax plus b. In this case, this is one function, this is another function. In this case, we have options. We can put sin term equal to t or cos term equal to t. Right? If there is no option, we can put anyone. If options are given, we have to move according to the options. Now, let sin of ax plus b equal to t. Differentiating both sides, cos of ax plus b into a equal to dt by dx. So, cos of ax plus b dx equal to 1 by a dt means इसकी जगह हमारे पास आ गया 1 by a dt. 1 by a is constant, 1 by a that is t dt, that is 1 by a t square plus c. Back substitution, this comes out to be 1 by a sin of a square ax plus b plus c. This is the answer. Right? All these questions, these two questions have been taken from exercise NCERT 7.2. Next question. Question is, evaluate x under root 1 plus x square. Now, one is direct method. I am telling you, f dash x into fx e power n. That is fx e power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. We should be concerned with the functions. Constants can be manipulated. One function is x, another function is function 2 is 1 plus 2x square. इसका डिफरेंशिएशन 4x आता है, इसका डिफरेंशिएशन 4x है, right? X is there, means we can manipulate it. We can manipulate means we can multiply and divide by 4x. इसको लिख सकते हैं हम 4x 1 plus 2x square की पावर 1 by 2 1 by 4. Now we can apply this formula directly. Differentiation of this is this is f dash x, this is fx, right? So answer will be 1 by 4 1 plus 2x square की पावर 1 by 2 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. Simplify कर लीजिए. What is this answer? Or by substitution method, see, in typical question we can use it directly. Put किया 1 plus 2x square equal to t, differentiating both sides with respect to x dt by dx. So x dx equal to 1 by 4 dt. Now, on simplification, 1 by 4, this will become 4. X dx equal to 1 by 4, t की power 3 by 2 dt, t की power 1 by 2. On simplification, this comes out to t की power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. That comes out to 2 upon 12 t की power 3 by 2 plus c. Back substitution जो simplify करना कर लीजिए. That is the answer. Next question. In the same question, one is this function, one is this function. 2x plus 1. Differentiation of this is 2x plus 1. Of function inside the radical sign is 2x plus 1. We can make it by taking 2 common. So this is taken 2 common, 2x plus 1, x square plus x plus 1, 1 by 2 dx. Right? इसको पुट किया हमने t, तो f dash x into fx e power n dx. Answer is fx e power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Now we can use it directly now. This is f dash x, this is fx. So twice x square plus x plus 1 की power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus c. Simplify and find the answer. This is the method. Means put x square plus x plus 1 equal to t, 2x plus 1 equal to dt by dx, 2x plus 1 dx equal to dt, 2 taken from here, then find the answer. Next question. Question is, evaluate 1 over x minus root x. In this case, no direct substitution is appearing. One is fx, one is fx. If there is any radical sign, try to remove radical sign. Let x equal to t square. Root sign खत्म हो जाएगा. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. 1 equal to twice t dt by dx. Dx equal to 2t dt. Integration will become now dx is 2t dt upon t square minus t. Right? On further simplification, we get to here t common, t minus 1 dt. This is goes, so pending is twice 1 over t minus 1 dt. 1 over ax plus b dx. 1 over a log of ax plus b plus c. So this comes out twice to 1 by 1, coefficient of t is 1, log of t minus 1 plus c, that is twice log root x minus 1 plus c. This is the answer. This question has been taken from NCERT 7.2. Next question. Question is, evaluate x cube minus 1 की power 1 by 3 into x5. In this case, no direct substitution is possible. We have to make the substitution in such a way that some of the part may be consumed in dx dt. If we put x cube minus 1 equal to t, we will get 3x square. इसको ब्रेकअप कर देंगे, x cube into x square dx कंज्यूम हो जाएगा. x cube की वैल्यू फिर यहाँ से वापस आ जाएगी. राइट? तो लेट पुट किया हमने x cube minus 1 equal to t. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. x square dx equal to dt. इंटीग्रेशन को हम लिख सकते हैं x cube minus 1 की पावर 1 by 3 x cube into x square dx. इससे जगह dt आ जाएगा. नेक्स्ट, सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग वैल्यूज x cube minus t की पावर 1 by 3 into x cube from here come out to be t plus 1, t plus 1 dt. t की पावर 4 by 3 plus t की पावर 1 by 3 dt. We can integrate separately plus. Right? Now, simplify it. t की पावर 7 by 3 upon 7 by 3 means 3 by 7 plus t की पावर 4 by 3 3 by 4 plus c. Back substitution 3 by 7 हमने पुट किया गया था x cube minus t, x cube minus 1 7 by 3 plus 3 by 4 x cube minus 1 4 by 3 plus c. This is the answer. Right? Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, SETI Shift Learn, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.